Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use effects. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Premiere Pro, effects refer to tools and features used to modify and enhance your video and audio clips. These effects can range from simple adjustments like changing color and lighting to complex transformations such as 3D animations, slow motion effects, and transitions. But we're not going to deal with that in depth, but we're going to show you the basics on how to apply and of course use the effects. All right, so once you open the Adobe Premiere Pro app, I want you to go to the tools and import the clips that you wanted. All right. Now, for you to be able to access the effects panel, all you have to do is go here in the bottom left corner. There's an arrow. If you click, there should be an effects section here. If you can't find it, go to Windows, click the effects panel by pressing Shift+7 on your keyboard. And what will happen is you would have all these tools for you. All right. Now, you have all these presets right here where you can use Lumetri presets, audio effects, video effects, and video transitions and audio transitions. So we're going to be dealing with the video effects for now. My video runs around 40 seconds, so I'm going to cut them into smaller chunks to apply the effects. All right. Now, one of the best option when you go to video effects is you have all these: adjust, blur and sharpen, distort, and maybe immersive video. If you click the, for example, VR blur, if you drag and drop it here to your video, what will happen is the video will have its effect here in this channel. If you go to the editing right here, you would notice that the effects, you see, this effect requires, how about we choose this one instead? All right, so there could be like a small error. So let's remove the effects for now. Let's try to use another one right here. For example, VR glow. All right, so fortunately we're encountering problems, but let's skip that. What we can do is go to the other effects here. For example, we're going to be using a video transition instead. If you click that, for example, we're going to be using an iris diamond. You go here, drag it here. For example, iris box just around here. So if you play the video right here, what will happen is let's play that again. You would notice the effects is very there, but it's kind of quick. All right. So these are going to be some of the ways for you to use the effects. All right. That's for the transitions. Now, if you're going to use for the audio transitions, you might want to add an audio. All right. Clip here. Go again to the effects section. Click this arrow, click the effects, and if you wanted for the audio effects right here, there's a lot that you can use. All right, amplitude, or the most common is going to be the denoise. Why? Because if you wanted to eliminate some echo or noise on your audio, just click that and go to the editing section. You would be able to delete it. One of the easiest way to get to the effects section is if you click the Lumetri right here. You should be able to have a Lumetri section here wherein you can, if you go to the basic section, you have the option or the capability to edit the basic correction for your video. All right, you select the video that I wanted right here. For example, this. Now you can see this is going to be the effect. You can adjust the temperature right here. You see it's kind of getting warmer. You can increase the exposure if you feel like it's underexposed. You can bump it a little bit to highlight it. You can also use the vignette, and there's a lot that you can work with. And the effect tool is one of the features that is used to modify and enhance your video and audio clips, with the effects ranging from different changing color and lighting to complex transformations. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.